Good morning everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. So today we have my brand new collection Winter Sparkle launching, and I'll be live later at 12:30 on the Craft Stash Facebook page, and that will be repeated a bit later on their YouTube channel, which will be the Craft Stash YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my new collection. It's called Winter Sparkle and it's my main Christmas collection for this year. Now it started off as a mini album collection and then it kind of snowballed a little bit. So with some of these designs you can make them into home decor, you can use it for card making as well as inside your mini albums. Okay, so there is something in here for everyone. So let's start with this beautiful presentation box here. This is where it all started, and this houses inside the large album. So I have the die set here for the large album. There we go. That fits perfectly inside this box. Now this is basically a shadow box. So you add your front and your back covers and the album fits inside there perfectly. However, don't stop there with it. As it's a shadow box, you can make some beautiful home decor pieces as well, just like this one here. I think this is absolutely stunning, and yes, this is a die set in this collection that you can get to make this beautiful winter scene. But first I'm going to show you the die set here for the shadow frame box. There we go. So you can use the 4 long sides to make a larger album, a larger shadow box, or you can, there is a cutting guide here to trim this down to make the shorter sides as well to make a presentation box, or you can use 4 shorter sides to make a smaller square. So that is the large shadow frame, and do join us later on. I'll have loads more samples to show you. Now let's jump straight into the winter scenes die set. Here it is. It's a small little envelope actually, but it all fits in there really nicely, and as you can see you can make this into a beautiful winter scene, and this was actually designed to fit on the large album. So here's another sample here. It comes with this frame. Now this frame fits just inside the large album, so you can use this to decorate your album cover, or if you want to get decorative inside of your album as well, it's going to fit in there perfectly. And you also get this beautiful moon. I love that. It's double layered moon as well. So don't stop there, you can use it in your card making too. This is a 5x7 card and I think this is absolutely stunning. I really enjoyed making this, I really did. I had a lot of fun with this collection. So that is the winter scenes, and don't forget you get this little bunny as well. So again, I'm thinking you could probably use this in the summer if you wanted to add some leaves. Autumn, this could take you all year round, I would say. Okay, so that is the winter scenes and the large shadow frame. So I'm going to move this back now to this box, and we have these poinsettias here. Aren't they beautiful? Now here is the die set. You may recognize this. This is an exact smaller version of the larger poinsettia dies that I had back in 2019 from one of my Christmas releases there. This is now a shrunk down version and it's absolutely stunning. So if you do remember this or have the larger poinsettia die set from way back when, you now have the matching medium poinsettia die set, and it also comes with these first sprigs and the poinsettia center as well. So I have here some poinsettias. This is the larger out of all of them, and it does taper down into a smaller one as well. So I've just folded these petals up just to give it that sort of look, and for a different sort of look I have here some more poinsettias where I've scrumpled up and made it all rustic as well. So 2 completely different looks. Now I've gone with like the pink scheme to go with the papers, but again, choose whatever colour you want to have your poinsettia. If you want purple ones, have purple ones. If you want green ones, have green ones. You know, just silver or all white. You're the creator, and you get to create and do whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to get to this ephemera in a moment. I have loads to show you, even more later on today. Okay, so this is the Winter Sparkle stamp and die set. I love this one. It's got loads of sentiments. They're going to be suitable for your mini albums and your cards as well. Now here's just a quick one that I've made, and I will have a tutorial for this one as well. I absolutely love this. It's very, very simple, but it's really bold as well. It really jumps out at you, and I absolutely love this sort of style. So this says naughty, nice, and it's ticked I tried, which is this stamp right there. And it also comes with the outline dies for all of these as well, so you don't have to worry about backgrounds and things like that and manually cutting things out with scissors. It's all there and done for you. Okay, so now moving on, we have the ephemera and we also have the papers. Okay, so here are the papers. This is a Winter Sparkle paper pack. It's 12 by 12. You get a really good amount in there, and you get 24 single-sided sheets, and it's 250 GSM. And I absolutely love this. You get 3 patterns of each design. Again, it's got that beautiful sky thing as well, so that you can make some really beautiful scenes. And we've got the silver birches there and snowflakes and fun lights as well. And if you want to go down the more traditional route, we have this lovely wood grain as well. So there's something in there for everyone. And here we have the ephemera. I'm not too sure how many are in here. It will say on the website, but as you can see, there's a ton in here. You get mistletoe, Christmas trees, candy canes, bells. We've even got tags that you can stamp on, and these are going to be perfect for popping into your mini album pockets as well, or if you do travelers notebooks and things, you can make little pockets for these. That would make it so fun and interactive, and I just love this. You can make cards with this as well. We have some different style trees here as well. Got ones with lights on, and then we have the plain tree as well. So many different things in here. So I think this ephemera pack is $5.99, I think. And all my other ones have been $5.99, so I'm guessing that's going to be around about the same price. I'm filming this in advance, so I don't know the prices on what is going to be on the website. So remember, if you are a VIP, you get your 10% off when you buy this as well. It's absolutely wonderful. If you want to have the whole collection, let me know down in the comments, or if you have a favourite die set, let me know down in the comments as well. I always love to know which ones are your favourites, because that always helps me direct new collections when I'm designing them. So your opinions are really, really useful. Okay, so that is it for today. Please join me at 12:30 on the Craft Stash Facebook page. I will link that link down below. That will be in the description box, but it will be on YouTube later, and I will have tutorials on my channel, which is Helen Griffin UK, and also on the Simply Made Crafts channel as well. So make sure you're subscribed to both of those so you don't miss any of the tutorials from this collection on there. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you love this collection, and I'll see you again later.